Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer. Tap on the keypad and let's start with the shortest codes. The first one is *## 06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and a serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and now another code, which is *## 07#. So as you can see, pretty similar to the previous one, and thanks to it we can open regulatory information connected with this device. Another code is *## 4636###, and here we are in the testing mode. So basically we can check the information about our device. So we've got NFC settings, we can check some info, Wi-Fi info. So for example, we can check the status. So let's refresh the stats. Here we've got the information such as SSID or network ID. You can also run ping test here. Here you can also enter usage statistics. So here we've got the list of all apps which are currently on this device, and you can sort them by usage time, as app name or last time used. We've got also phone information. So we can check the things like, for example, the IMEI number, phone number, current network, data service, voice service, or signal strength. However, you will be able to check the information if you've got your SIM card inserted. If you do not have one, you will not be able to check the information. Right here you can run ping test, and after tapping on the 3 icon here you can, for example, view service dialing numbers. And you've got also debugging information. Alright, another code is *## 426###, and here we are in the diagnostics, so you can check the server, host port, time connected. You can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3 icon, you can show advanced view. So just tap on it, and here we've got the status. And now we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and the last code, which will open the engineering mode, and the code for it is *## 2486###. And here we are in the test, kind of. After tapping on the menu mode, we can check our device. So basically, for example, let's tap on the battery and tap on battery information, and here your device will show you the information about the battery, obviously. So for example, the health, whether it is good or not, the battery status, whether the battery can still recognize the charger, the voltage level, the current level, of course, whether it is actually present, so whether your device is still detecting it, etc. So that's quite nice. You can also check the display, so for example, test patterns. We can open the grayscale, and if you can see the grayscale all across the screen without any kind of missing spots, missing pixels, it means that the screen is good and it shows everything as it should be. Here we've got white with black border, which is actually tricky because we've got this frame around the screen. So maybe bright color bar, and the same with this one. So basically you can check the patterns whether everything is alright. You've got also, for example, the sensor, the touch panel, touch screen, maybe touch screen. Let's check the diagonal. Basically all you have to do is to put your finger on the circle and draw it across the screen to check whether everything is alright. And if you've got it in green, I mean when the screen becomes green, it means that we've passed the test and everything is okay. So here we've got another one. As you can see, we have to simply draw the lines to check whether everything is alright. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.